You next to your Back to Basics? Who's a good boy? This is Bear. He's my little over 1-year-old Tavern. And yes, he loves his food. And this, yes, oh, I know. I'm taking video. Oh, good boy. Yes, he loves his food. Look how good he looks. Yes. Go ahead, Spunkin. Go ahead. He sees the cat. See the kitty? Oh, and there's Grammy. He's good. Yes, the kitty is not his friend. Even though he's wagging his tail, he wants the kitty. And there's the kitty. Hey, Pumpkin. All right, Bear, come on. Come on, Bear. Come on. Good boy. Oh, who's good? Okay, go get down. Get down. No, it's okay. Get down, because you can't have the kitty. Come on. It's all right. Let's go. No. I know. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. No, you can't have the kitty. Let's show him how good you look. Look at all that hair. Look at all that hair. Your big, beautiful coat, which isn't even as long as it's going to be. It's still growing. Oh, and there he goes again. That's about it for the video.